The solar system is a vast and complex system comprising the Sun, 8 planets, their moons, asteroids, comets, and other objects. The Sun, the center of our solar system, a yellow dwarf star, providing heat and light to the planets. Inner planets, terrestrial planets. Mercury, closest planet to the Sun, small and rocky. Venus, similar in size and composition to Earth, but with a thick, toxic atmosphere. Earth, the only known planet with life abundant in liquid water and diverse ecosystems. Mars, reddish appearance due to iron oxide on its surface with evidence of past water flows. Asteroid belt, located between Mars and Jupiter, a region with millions of rocky objects, ranging from small rocks to dwarf planets like Ceres. Outer planets, gas giants. Jupiter, largest planet, composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, with a massive magnetic field and iconic Great Red Spot. Saturn, known for its prominent rings made of ice and dust particles, with numerous moons. Uranus, tilted on its side. It has a unique rotational axis and a faint ring system. Neptune, blue in color due to methane in its atmosphere, with strong winds and a series of faint rings. Kuiper Belt, beyond Neptune, a region containing icy bodies including dwarf planets like Pluto and Eris, and comets. Oort cloud, a theoretical region at the outermost edge of the solar system containing icy objects and comets extending far beyond the Kuiper belt. Moons. Each planet, except Mercury and Venus, has moons, with some having dozens or even hundreds. The largest moons include Ganymede, Jupiter, Titan, Saturn, Triton, Neptune, and Earth's moon. Comets, small celestial bodies composed of ice, dust, and rocky material originating from the Kuiper belt or Oort cloud, often developing tails when passing close to the Sun. Space exploration. Humans have sent numerous spacecraft to explore the solar system, including the Voyager probes, Mars rovers, and the New Horizons mission to Pluto. Understanding the solar system helps us comprehend our place in the universe and provides valuable insights into planetary formation and evolution.